Hi, my name is Ron. I'm around 74. I'm sending I'm the negotiation of technology is the question. Only for the interface on intellectual property rating of different factors to stand out in competing maker. It's very important since we can browse our creation and on the time of any consultation you will know of the person who left its stamp on the patent, thus avoiding flashing of ownership. How important is to ascend the subtly in the different valuation methods of intangible assets to be computed in the maker condition of the technology innovation is important because it helps it helps us to see what finally in the intellectual capital in about then you enter the innovation maker and not far. You can get what you have or how you can improve to compete in the maker. In the maker, we expect to be able to develop and negotiate in technology assist to achieve the social and commercial objectives of the organization. Because in transformation the lifetime of people so they will differ one day and life without it. How important is being solution to improve the digital transformation of Colombia company because in speed everyday things creating alternatives for in realization and given aging to Colombian society. Thank you.